A small town where everything is getting expensive. People are going hungry, but suddenly a cart appears, offering a full Maharaja thali for just 10 rupees. Tasty, healthy, served with respect. People laugh and doubt it. But as they eat at this cart, something in their lives start to change. It's Sonpur town's old square. Morning 9 o'clock. Munna Bhai is returning with scrap on his cycle and Goody is dozing in front. Baba, I'm hungry.
We'll make a roti as soon as we reach home.
Baba, look, Maharaja thali for 10 rupees.
Wait. It's really written.
A small handcart, a man in simple clothes, stands head bent, serving plates to people with great respect.
Please come. Just 10 rupees. Be a king. Eat a hot, full meal in just 10 rupees.
A crowd gathers around the cart. Everyone happily orders a 10 rupee thali. Just then, retired school teacher Master Lallan arrives.
He must be mad. Dal, rice, roti, curry, pickle, all for only 10 rupees.
Nearby, Soma Didi, who runs an NGO, explains to Master Lallan. Not mad, Master Ji. Maybe he's a servant of society.
Bhaiya, one thali for my daughter. Why not two? One for your daughter and one for you.
He serves the plate. Simple, hot, clean and tasty food. The food is truly good. Everyone is happy. Baba, this food is delicious.
Yes, dear, honestly, and at such a low price.
The crowd gets bigger. Everyone wondering, how is this possible? How can a thali be so cheap?
But where is the money coming from? Who is this man? What's he gaining by selling thalis for 10 rupees?
Sometimes people don't think about profit, just about humanity. Soma Didi is impressed by Thaliwala and she invites him to her NGO. Who are you really? Why are you doing all this?
I am no saint, Didi. I was once hungry myself. Today I don't want anyone else to sleep hungry.
But where do you get money from? You hardly make any profit.
I didn't pay for every meal. Others did. Those who have full stomachs give more. And those who are hungry just pay 10 rupees.
That's a wonderful system.
That's my mission, to end hunger, but keep people's dignity.
This is a wonderful work. If you ever need help, tell me. There is no greater service than feeding the hungry. We are all with you.
Yes, Didi, of course.
But Soma Didi still doesn't know the truth behind the thali. The next morning, the crowd at the cart is even bigger. There's a line at the cart. Now everyone wants to know who is this man. Even media people have arrived. Namaste viewers. Today we are standing at the cart that's caused stir in the city. Who is this man selling Maharaja thali for just 10 rupees?
I'm not a big man. I was just a hungry person who tried to serve.
Munna Bhai and Goody smile nearby.
Feeding the hungry is the greatest blessing. For the poor, he is like a god. Oh no, brother. I'm not God. Just a simple man. I just want to feed anyone who is hungry.
Master Lallan still suspects something. He quietly hides behind the cart and follows Thaliwala.
Something's wrong. Where does this man get so much food every day?
Thaliwala heads to an old closed factory. Master Lallan watches from a distance. There are others inside.
Looks like a gang.
Inside the factory, Thaliwala stands with a group, 6-7 young boys and girls from poor, neglected backgrounds.
Listen, every thali must have tasty food. This is a big mission for us, where any poor person can eat with a full stomach and with dignity. Yesterday we served 430 plates, but rice was not enough. Don't worry, we'll fix that soon.
There is a sign on the wall. Maharaja Mission, no hunger, only dignity.
I'm confused. Is he really a good man?
Meanwhile, at the bungalow of local leader Hari Singh Chaudhary, people are talking about Thaliwala.
This cart man will ruin our politics. If the poor don't stay hungry, who will vote for us? People consider this man as Masiha. Stop that cart. Tonight, burn down that factory.
That night, suddenly the factory catches fire. The police arrive, crowd gathers.
This wasn't a short circuit. It was a plot. Who burned all our hopes?
Baba, what happened here? Just then, Thaliwala comes, slightly burnt but standing strong.
We will start again. Even from ashes, a new fire can burn. We won't stop serving meals.
Really, uncle? We'll have 10 rupees thali again?
Of course, my child.
Master Lallan watches everything. His heart melts for Thaliwala. Slowly, he walks over.
Forgive me, son. I doubted you, but you truly are a savior for the people. Maybe even God himself. No, Master Ji. God doesn't work. He makes people do his work.
Just tell me, who gives you the money to make so much food?
Didi, just good people. Kind donors give us help.
That means there are rich people with good hearts. If so, nobody can stop us from helping society. But what now? The factory is gone. Where will you cook?
We came from the mud. We can't let ashes stop us. From tomorrow, food will be made again. Not in a shop, but in every home.
So now there will be a stove in every street.
Yes, now this movement isn't only mine. Now every kitchen will become a Maharaja Thali kitchen.
Police investigation reveals Hari Singh and his men started the fire. The inspector comes to Thaliwala.
We have proof now. It was the minister's people. We got the CCTV footage. Fighting the system isn't easy, sir. The same leaders who are supposed to help the poor are taking their food away. Don't worry. You'll see Hari Singh behind bars soon.
With Soma Didi's help, food carts now appear in different parts of the city. This isn't just one cart anymore. It becomes a movement.
I'll serve food at this cart too.
Baba, now you are not just a scrap man. You are Thaliwala Baba. Soma Didi gathers local women. There is a big pot, a stove, rations in the community hall. Some bring rice, some dal, some the gas cylinder. We have cooked for years, but now our food will help change the society. Hari Singh and his men are meeting in an old room.
Now the fire has spread. It's not just the cartman. The whole neighborhood stands together. If this goes on, he'll win the next election. This man is the poor people's hero. They are giving away respect, but we wanted hate.
Just then, police arrive.
Hari Singh, do one thing. Fight your next election from jail. You started that fire. We have the evidence. Come to the police station.
And here the media coverage of the Thali kitchen begins. Journalists are busy at work. No NGO, no big organization. Just ordinary people have changed how we fight hunger. This is Maharaja Thali movement, an idea that started on one cart, now lighting stoves in every home. We are poor, but now we are able to eat well. It's Sunday. In 5 parts of Sonpur town, kitchens are running at the same time. Some are boiling, some serving, some lining up. Everyone is working together.
Today, for the first time, I feel you don't need a government to fight hunger. Just a good idea.
True, if everyone can get a 10 rupee Maharaja Thali, no one in our country will ever sleep hungry. It's night. Thaliwala sits alone beside the cart, a little tired but satisfied. Goody comes and sits. Now you are happy, uncle?
Very much, dear, because now I'm not alone. Everyone stands with me.
The real king isn't the one with a golden crown. The real king saves others from sleeping hungry. A true king is one who shares a piece of bread from his own plate with someone who has none. And remember, for 10 rupees, you don't just get food. Sometimes you get a brand new way to think. The day every poor person's plate has food and their hearts have respect, on that day, India will truly be a land of kings.